This is us decimating the illusion, cleaning off the artwork, the masterpiece.
And there goes the actual masterpiece.
Yeah, the actual masterpiece itself is going to go down the drain now. Oh, look at that. Look at it as it comes off, look at that. Not all of that can go down the drain. Because it's something that's like newspaper and stuff. Kind of looks like you're peeling off a layer of your own skin, doesn't it?
Like that Robbie Williams music video.
Yeah, look at that.
Actually, that probably should do for the top.
We're not going to be able to clean it completely because we